Hey guys, it's Young Wealth. Now today I want to make a video on Pi Network. I'm sorry that I have not been in for a few days. I was actually moving out. I'm officially cozy, locked down into my new place. So we're going to look at Pi. And today, as you can see right now, it says the price of Pi Network, if that's the right one, which I don't think it is $1.64, right? So at the end of the day, we are looking very healthy because if you look at the market cap, we are up 17%. We are 11 billion. And to be honest with you guys, people have had so much fun about this coin, but little do they know that Pi has actually overcome all the odds it took. Like, it first of all beat a record for the airdrops. Second of all, it's being used to buy real estate in America. It's being used for car purchases in America. So we're gonna look into the graph. But when you can see this graph, it just looks so solid. Like, and the reason there's such a strong floor is because not everybody can sell. Okay. That's what I realized. You can't all sell together. That's what makes the floor so strong. So when people say that Pi is going to dump when everyone gets to sell, it's not true because people will sell Pi at different times. They think once they infiltrate 100% selling, that's going to cause dump. That's wrong because not everybody will sell at the same time. As you can see, we have the pattern here. It actually broke resistance. It actually broke support on this trend line here. So now it's looking like we are making a new trend here. I'm just going to be honest. And this trend here looks very, 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 very impulsive. And the reason I say it could be impulsive is because we are on a strong support. If you look over here, this is support. I mean, this is resistance now, but we broke out the resistance to make it support. So at the end of the day, I want to see it really break past the $2 mark within these next few months. And if we can do that, I don't see why $5-10 ain't in the possibility still. But people have panicked because they think that the market's over. Let me tell you guys right now, the market is not over till we die. The market's not over forever, pretty much. Like, at the end of the day, when it comes to cryptocurrency, it's just like the stock market. We have to not time it properly. We have to actually just dollar cost average and buy coins and buy assets that actually hold value long term. Because once you do that, now you're on a place where you don't need to stress about an entry point. You don't need to stress about price action. And the reason I say price action is not important is because if you're investing long term, then the only reason you need price action to be important is if you're selling. But to be honest with you guys, when you were talking about a coin like Pi, you're not making money just off selling. Like, we don't need this thing to go up. All we need to do is keep mining. Because Pi at the same price point right now, with the 30% APR it has, or 5% APR it has, it's amazing work. So I just want to make this video and this update to really show you guys that, yes, people are flooding. They're saying this is bad for Pi network holders. They are saying that we are going to zero. I seen Crypto Games make a video on Pi saying it's going to zero when this dude has promoted 1,000 scams and he's never got called out for it. So I had to call him out because at the end of the day, if you think Pi is a scam, you're dumb because it takes KYC. That takes compliance. Why the hell would they be complying with cryptocurrency regulations if they wanted to scam? Why would they ask for KYC if they wanted to scam? They would have scammed you. So at the end of the day, you can believe me or not, but I'm going to be just totally honest with you guys. This Pi network chart I see here, it looks like it's going to break out. And the next breakout, I do believe we can see something like this. Let me just zoom out a little bit so you can see what I'm saying. I do believe in the next breakout, bounce, support, breakout. And it's that easy. Like, people think that cryptocurrency is difficult. All you have to do is accumulate at the low prices and you'll be fine, because what people don't understand about Pi is that it came into cryptocurrency when the economy is down bad, when the economy and inflation is at all-time highs, but it's still competing with Solana. Like, this coin allows developers to develop for free and earn at the same time. So when we look at the Pi network and we look at all, we can see that Bitcoin's at 83,000, Ethereum's at, but when we look at Solana, it's at 129. This is almost over Solana. Like, it's 11th place and Solana is 6th. So if we just times or 6x, we will be over Solana. So just take that into consideration, that when you invest into coins like this, it's not only just for your short-term gratification. This is for your family. This is for generational wealth. If you don't have generational wealth, you will forever be in debt. And why do I say that? Because when you don't have generational wealth, you can't guarantee that you could kick back on the beach for a year. You can't just sit back on the beach for a year and relax. You need wealth. And the way to get passive income or wealth is to have passive income. And the reason I say that is because at the end of the day, if you have passive income with wealth, now you're making money in your sleep. Just like when you mine your pie. When you mine your pie, you're making money in your sleep. So don't ignore the hate. Ignore the haters. Don't listen to what they say. To be honest with you guys, a lot of the haters, they just jealous that you have too much pie. So they feel like they have to hate in the comments and actually say this is going to zero. And it's held up so strong. It was at 60 cents. It was at 60 cents. Now, when we look at this coin, it's back at $1.60. So what is that? What's that? Over a 4x. I mean, no, not 4x. Damn near a 3x. Triple from all-time lows. I was going to get in at 60 cents, but I didn't. And I held back, but I brought some anyway. I brought some regardless. And right now I'm reaping the rewards. I'm going to keep buying. And hopefully there's a position where you can send your fucking... You can send... Sorry for swearing. You can send the Pi network to the wallet. That would be beautiful, because once you can do that, now we are talking we can make money and add to our passive miner that was for free. So you're mixing the used pie with the state pie that was for free. So the pie you bought, you're mixing that with the free state pie. This is beautiful life, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was Young Wealth with another one. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. And I'll be back with more content real soon. So I'm out. Peace.